Now let's see one more example of long division divided by 2 digit. 2 digit is a big number. Now let's see how to do this. Now, given number divided by 56. Now we are dividing by 2 digit number, so we will take first two numbers. Now look at the table of 56. 62 is there in the table or not? So we'll try 56 ones are 56. 56 twos are, how we'll do? 6 twos are 12, 1 carry. 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11. So 56 twos is a big number, so we will take smaller than this number is 56 ones are 56. Now we will do the subtraction. Now 12 minus 6 is 6. 5 minus 5 is 0. Now let's take another number down. Now again here 60 is there. Now 60 is not there in the table. Smaller than that is 56. So again 56 ones are 56. I will do the subtraction. 10 minus 6 is 4. 5 minus 5 is 0. Now let's take another number down. Now 53 is there in the table. It is not there in the table. So what we will take? We will divide it by 0. Now when we will subtract it from the 0, you will get the same number 43. And we will take the another number down. Now student, 432 divided by 56. Now you have to see that in the table of 56, this number is there or not. For that you can do one same thing. First we will round up this number, that will be round up to the nearest to the 10. This will be 30 and this will be 60. Now in the table of 6 you have to see 43 is there. Yes, it is not there. So less than that is 42. So 6 sevens are 42. So what you will do? If you multiply this, it is nearby. When we will do sevens, you will get the near number of that. So in the 56 also we will do 56 multiplied by 7. So we will try it first. 7 6 are 42. 4 carry. 7 5s are 35. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. This is of 7s are. Now we will try for the 56 8s are. Now 56 8s are 8 6 are 48. 4 carry. 8 5s are 40 plus 4 is 44. Now this is big number. So what you will do? 56 7s are 392. 392. So what you will do? 0. Now 13. 13 minus 9 is 4. Now this becomes 0. So 40 is the remainder. This is dividend. The answer is called quotient and this is divisor. Now we will check by multiplication whether this long division is correct or not. For that we will use the formula. Quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder is equal to, you will get dividend. Now student, we will put all the values. 1107 multiplied by 56 plus what is the remainder? 40. Now if we will do this, we will get the dividend. Now we will try this. First we will multiply these two numbers. One side 1107 multiplied by 56. I will start doing 6 7s are 42, 4 carry, 6 zeros are 0 plus 4 is 4, 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are 6. Now we will multiply with the tens place, so we will put 1 0 here. 5 7s are 35, 3 we have to put here, 5 zeros are 0, 3 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. We will add both the product. 9 9 11, 1 carry, 6. Now 61992 plus 40. Now what we will get in this? 0 plus 2 is 2, 4 plus 9 plus 4 is 13, 1 carry, 10, 1 carry, 2, 6. Now we will check with this. This is nothing but the dividend. Now see the another steps. First of all, I have written divided by 45. The divisor, what is the divisor is 45. So I have written the table till 6. You can write the table till 10th. If I needed, I will carry forward. Now first of all, let's see 24,832 divided by 45. Now first we will take 2 digits because we are dividing by 2 digits. So 24 is small number. So what we will do? We will not, it is not possible to divide this number. So we will take 3 digits. Now here 248 is there. Now we will see it in the table. It is not there in the table. What we will do? We will take just smaller than this number. So it is 45 5s are 225. Okay students, now we will subtract it. Now 8 minus 5 is 3, becomes 2 and becomes 0. Now we will take the another number down, that is 233. Now again we will see in the table, it is not there. Smaller than this number is again 45 5s are 225. Now we will subtract it. Now it is smaller, so we will regroup the number. 13 minus 5 is 8, 0, 0. Now we will take the another number down, 82. Now 82 is there in the table? Not there. Small than that is 45. Now 45 1s are 45. Now we will subtract this. This becomes 7 and this becomes 12. Now here the remainder is 37. This is the dividend, this is the quotient and this is the divisor. Now whether it is correct or not, for that we will check it by doing multiplication method. Quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder, you will get dividend. Now what is the quotient? Quotient is 45 multiplied by, quotient is 551 multiplied by 45 plus 37 remainder. Now we will check whether this is correct or not. For that, one side we will do the multiplication of this quotient and divisor. Now let's see. Given number multiplied by 45, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 5s are 25 plus 2 is 27. Then we will start with the next, multiplying by 40. So we are putting this here, 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 4 5s are 20 plus 2 is 22. Now we will add it, that becomes 5, 5, 9, 7, 4, 2. So the product of these two numbers is 24,795. Now we will add 37 in it. Now we will start adding. 7 plus 5 is 12. 1 carry. Now 10 plus 3 is 13. 1 carry. 842. Now check this. This and the dividend is same. That means our long division is correct because when we check we get the same division. Now students, we will see the next example, that is 53,960 divided by 41. Now let's take 53,960 as a dividend and divided by 41 divisor. Now first of all we will see the 2-digit number because we are dividing by 2 digit. So 53, is it there in the table of 41? Let's see. 41 ones are 41, 41, 2s are 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2s are 82. Now 82 is greater than the given number. We want the smaller number than this number. So we are having 41 ones are 41. Now we will subtract this. Now 2, 1, we'll take this 9 down. Now we have to see this number in the table. Now we'll see 41, 3s are 3 ones are 3, 3 4s are 12. Now 41, 4s are 4 ones are 4, 4 4s are 16. Now students, small than this number is 41, 3s are 123. So we will write here 41, 3s are 123. Now we will subtract it. 6 0 0. So we will take this 6 down. Now again 66 is not there. Less than that is 1s are 41. Now 5 2. We'll take the next number down. Now we have to see this 41. 5s are 5, 20. Now we'll do 41. 6 are 6 ones are 6, 6 4s are 24. Now 41. 7s are 7 ones are 7, 7 4s are 28. Now smaller than this number is 6 are 41. 6 are, we are getting 2 4 6. Now we'll subtract it. We will regroup the number. That will be 4 0 0. So students, the remainder is 4. This is dividend and this is quotient and this is divisor. Okay. Now we will check whether this division is correct or not by multiplication method. Check it by multiplication way. How to do it? First of all, you will write the formula. Quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder, you will get dividend. So what is quotient? 1316 multiplied by 41. Remainder is 4. Now we will solve it. Now we will check whether we will get the same dividend or not. Okay student, now start doing this. Now first of all, the given number multiplied by 41. 6 ones are 6, 1 ones are 1, 1 3s are 3, 1 ones are 1. Now we will start with the tens place. That means we are starting with the 40. We write 1 0 here. 6 4s are 24. 2 4 ones are 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 3s are 12. 1 carry. 4 ones are 4 plus 1 5. 6 5 9 3 5. We get this same product, and in this product we will add 4. So we will get this number, and this is nothing but our dividend. This is nothing but the dividend. Students, again we'll see the long division. See the solution for this. 40,120 divided by 32. Now let's start. 40,120 divided by 32. Now see the first two digit. 40 is there in the table of 31. Let's see 32 multiplied by 1 is 32. Now 32 multiplied by 2 is 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. It is 64. So it is greater than 40. So we will take 32 1s are 32. Now we will subtract this. That we will regroup. That becomes 10 and 3. 10 minus 2 is 8. 0. So we will take the 1 down. Next step. Now we are having 81. Now 81 is there in the table. We will see 32 3s are what will come? 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. This is the big number than 81. So we will take 32 2s are 64, smaller than 96. Okay. Now the next one. We have to subtract this. Now regroup the number. That becomes 11 minus 4 becomes 7. Now 7 minus 6 becomes 1. And now we will take the next number down. That is 2. Okay. Now we will see 32 4s are 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. Okay. Now 32 5s are 10. 1 carry 15. 1 16. Okay. Now 32 6 are 6 2s are 12. 1 carry 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19. It is greater than 172. So we will take 32 5s are 160. Now we will subtract it. That becomes 2 1 0. Now we will take the next number down. That is 0. Now we will see is it there in the table? No. Less than that is 32 3s are 96. Now we will subtract this. Regroup the number. 1 10. That becomes 4. Now 11 minus 9 is 2. 0. Now 24 is the remainder. This one is dividend. This is quotient and this is divisor. Now to check this, for this we are using the formula. Again we will check it by multiplication. What is the formula for this? Quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. If you will do this, you will get the dividend. The same dividend you will get. Let's see. First of all, we will put all the values. Quotient is 1253 multiplied by the divisor, that is 32. And what is the remainder? 24. Now we will start doing the multiplication first. Then we will add remainder in it. Now first of all, we will do the multiplication of quotient and divisor. 1253 multiplied by 32. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. 1 carry. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 2s are 2. We will multiply with the tens place 30. Multiplying by 30. So we are writing 1 0. 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. 1 carry. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 3 1s are 3. Now we will add it. That becomes 6, 9, 10. 1 carry. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 carry. 4. Now this is 40,096 plus 24. We will add in this. 4 plus 6 is 10. 1 carry. 10 plus 2 is 12. 1 carry. 104. What is this? This is nothing but the dividend. When we check this by multiplication. Now student, let's start with this word problem. See, in this, in a farm, 56,224 oranges were plucked in a day. 48 oranges are packed in a box. How many boxes are required and how many oranges are left over? Now you have to do the division here. Now for that, first of all, you have to write this statement. What will be the first statement? What is the first sentence is given here, that we will make as a first statement. Now number of oranges plucked in one day. In one day, how many? It is 56,224. Okay. Now 48 boxes are plucked in a box. Number of oranges packed in one box is equal to 48. Okay. Now what is the question? How many boxes are required? Number of boxes required. Number of boxes required. For that, number of oranges plucked in a day, you have to divide it by the number of oranges packed in one box, that is 48. 48 oranges packed in a day. Now we will start doing the division, that is 56,224 divided by 48. Divided by 48. Now see the table of 48. 48 ones are 48. 48 twos are 96. Okay, 96 is greater than 56. So we will take ones are 48. Now we will subtract it. That becomes 8. Now we will take the next number down. Again we are having 82. 82 is 98 is greater than 82. So again we have to take 48 ones are 48. Now we will subtract it. Again we have to regroup the number. Now that becomes 12 minus 8 becomes 4, becomes 3. Now we have to take this number down. Now this is the big number. Now let's take this. We will start. Don't do the multiplied by 3, multiplied by 4, because you are having that it will be the smaller number. So you better try 48 multiplied by 6. Let's try with this. That means 6 8s are 48. 4 carry. 6 4s are 24 plus 4 is 28. Okay. Now we will take that 48 7s are 50. 7 8s are 56. 7 4s are 20. 28. 28 plus 5 is 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. This number we are having. That means 48 sevens are, we are getting 336. Now we will subtract it. Again regrouping the number. That becomes 6. Now we will take the 4 down. Again we are having 64. Now 96 is greater than 64. So we will again take 41 ones are 48 ones are 48. Now again regroup the number. 14 minus 8 is 6. This is 1. So the remainder is 16. And what is in the question? What is asked? Two questions are asked. That how many boxes are required and how many oranges are left over. Now remainder is the left over. Now to pack this much oranges we required 1171 boxes and 16 boxes oranges are left over. Now write the statement, final statement, that 1171 boxes are required, and second one, 16 oranges are left over. Now let's see another word problem, student. Now here Miss Nisha earned rupees 97,080 in a year. Now what is her monthly earning? Now here you have to find many to one. Means a year means 1 year is equal to 12 months. Here 1 year is equal to 12 months. So money Nisha earned in 12 months is this much. Now you have to find out how much she earned in 1 month. So what will be the statement? Money Nisha earned in 12 months is equal to rupees 97,080. Now you have to find out what is her monthly earning. Money she earns in 1 month. That means rupees 97,080 divided by 12. We will start dividing that 97,080 divided by 12. You know the table of 12. So 12 8s are 96. 1 0. Putting the 0 down. So 10 is smaller than 12. So 12 zeros are 0. If you are avoiding these steps, that is also correct. Now we will take the 8 down. Now 12 9s are 108. Now bringing the 0 down, and so 0 is there, so we are writing 12 zeros are 0. Now what will be the final statement? What is her monthly earning? So Nisha earn rupees 8,090 in 1 month.